Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do a refresh on hair that's been previously colored. First, divide the hair into 4 sections, then apply the color onto the parting of each section. My client barely has any gray hair, so I'll be starting at the back. I like to work my way down. As you can see, I'm grabbing horizontal sections until I reach the occipital bone. From there, I'll start going vertically. You want to make sure you really saturate the color and that there is no way that you can see the scalp, you only see color, because this will ensure that everything is covered. I like to do the front 2 sections last unless my client has very stubborn gray hair, then I'll start them first. Also, the hairline is the most fragile area, therefore it takes the color quicker. So if my client was doing any other color other than black, it's best to start at the back in case it goes too dark. At the front, I'll go in vertically because this ensures that I won't have a messy application. Make sure you set your timer right after you're done applying the roots for 45 minutes. Once I'm finished applying the roots, I mixed more color to apply on the rest of the hair. Make sure you mix the correct volume for each section. In this case, I don't need to cover any gray, so I'll be using 10 vol with 1 end. This will prevent any damage or dryness on the ends. As I apply the color, I like to emulsify very well, then I make sure the whole section is covered and saturated by using a comb. Preferably, it should be a wide tooth comb, but I couldn't find mine, so this will work fine as well. Make sure you start combing the client's hair at the end first so it causes the least amount of tugging. Once I'm done applying all the color, I'll let her process for the remaining time that's left. A little trick I learned along the way is that color removes color. So if you rub the color against the skin, it will remove it, and whatever's left over you can go over with the stain remover and that should do the trick. After, I like to make sure I do a really good rinse before shampooing. This will ensure that there is no color left on the scalp. Make sure when shampooing that you target the back of the head and that the second shampoo lathers very well. Now I'm going to rinse off all the shampoo and make sure that there's no color left, and apply my Pai-shai moisturizing mask for extra shine and softness. I love this mask, it helps build the bonds of the hair and take care of the split ends. Make sure you comb it through for even distribution. While that sits, I'll give my client a scalp massage to promote healthy hair growth. Before blow drying, I always make sure you use a heat protector. I'm using one of my favorites, which is the 21 Benefit Colourfanatic by Pureology. I like to start blow drying at the front first and move my way to the back. I'll be doing a regular bouncy blowout look on my client. If you'd like to know how I achieve this look, I'll link down my blow dry tutorial on the description box. And we are all done. Look at those final results. So much shinier. Nothing beats a fresh color.